Hazrat Ibn Shihab narrates that Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu told me, when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam got in Madinah Munawwara, I was only 10 years old, and I served Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam for 10 years during his lifetime. So I, as compared to the other people, better know the cause of the revelation of the command of the veil. And Hazrat Ubay bin Ka'b radiyallahu anhu asks me about it. So its command was revealed at first when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam consummated the marriage with Hazrat Zainab, the daughter of Jaish, and he got up in the morning as a groom and invited the people to the wedding feast. The people consumed the food and departed, whereas some people kept sitting there in the company of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and stayed there long. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up and went out, and I as well walked along with him until he sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached the gate of Hazrat Aisha's chamber. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then thinking they would have gone, returned, and I as well returned with him until he sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached Hazrat Zainab's chamber, but they were still sitting there and had not gone. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam returned, and I as well returned along with him until he reached the threshold of the door of Hazrat Aisha's chamber. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then thinking they would have gone, returned, and I returned with him too, and they had gone. So at that time the veil verse was revealed. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam drew a curtain between me and him. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6238.